Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to SHIB update for Thursday 20th of October. Now we're looking at SHIB. It's looking not necessarily amazing at the moment. SHIB is just shibbing, we are not finding, what did I just say? SHIB is shibbing. So here we are. Now let me address what is going on in here. So we've seen SHIB on the daily time frame. I can filter out the noise from the 4-hour. You went actually down, and I'm going to keep it very simple. When you went down like this, you move sideways. And when you move sideways, it seems like on the daily, now on the 4-hour time frame, this was the resistance I was telling you must cross, and you didn't cross it. So what you did instead is you made a sideways movement known as a bearish rectangle pattern actually, and that's a bearish continuation. So if you look at it that way, you're going to take the top to the bottom right there, and from the bearish rectangle, this is where you're breaking out of it. So you're going to actually pull a little bit higher to 1013, get rejected from there, and then move all the way down to 862, and that's the pending target for such a long time now at the moment. Okay, so the next technical target we're looking for SHIB at the moment is actually going to be 864 to that blue line right over there. So it could be a shorting opportunity. And for the ones who are actually interested in signals, the Discord is open up for 24 hours. If you want to join the signal at the moment for November, you can come to the announcement and watch this video on the guideline and agreement as well. That's pretty much it for this SHIB update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.